In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate shipping on ACBuy. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to create an account on ACBuy, and you can use the link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. You can sign up using my link and go ahead and get started. So to actually calculate shipping, it's very simple. Go to this button up here to the very right of your language and your currency, where you can see this kind of calculator button. Click on that. And here you have to put in a few things. So you first have to put in your country. So for example, I'm going to do UK right now. There we go. And then you have to put in your weight. So your exact weight of the thing you are trying to ship to your doorstep. We're going to do like, for example, 150 grams. And then the product type. Let's say these are going to be some shoes over here. I'm going to do common brand. There we go. You have to, of course, select that too. Then you have to select the length. I'm going to do like 25 centimeters. The width is going to be, I don't know, like 8, or height is going to be like 15. So that's completely, of course, dependent on whatever you ordered. So make sure you actually have these dimensions so we can put them in here. And then click on check now. And then you're going to be able to see over here, you can see all the different types of deliveries and then the estimated shipping fees. Now, you can go ahead and set the prices from low to high or from high to low. This is completely up to you. And then the shipping time from slow to fast or from fast to slow. You can change that, of course, according to your own needs. And then here on the right, you can always see your estimated shipping fee. And this is pretty much how it's going to cost you. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.